What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the language in Battlefield 6. Whether you are using Steam or the EA app, here's exactly how to do it. It's quick and the steps are almost the same on both platforms. For Steam users, open Steam and go to your library, find Battlefield 6, then right click the game and choose Properties. In the General tab, look for the language section, open the drop down menu and pick the language you wanna switch to. After you select it, close the Properties window. Steam will automatically start downloading the language files for Battlefield 6. Just let it finish updating and the new language will be applied. If you are using the EA app, open it and go to My Library, find Battlefield 6 and click the Manage button. Choose View Properties and under Language, select your preferred language from the drop down list. Hit Save to confirm your choice. Close the window and the EA app will update the game with new language files. And that's all you need to do. You have now changed the language in Battlefield 6 on both Steam and the EA app. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.